Right guys, Mo here from ZaltekReviews.com. I'm just doing the first part of this video today, just to give you a wee introduction. First part being is I bought this pile of shite from eBay. It cost me 15 quid. It's scratched up to buggery, and it's in a bit of a mess. Then you're probably thinking, what the fuck did you buy that for? Because I'm ripping it apart, because the only thing I need is the module, that's all I need. This bracelet and the case and all that, it's all scratched to buggery. But I just want to do a fully working module of this Casio Worldtimer Royal, no it's not the Royal, Royale, that's the one. Casio Royale. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you, and once after I played the intro and that, I'll show you the next part of the video. I'm not sure when I'm going to record that, but it'll be soon. Right, speak to you in a bit. Right guys, as I mentioned, the wee video thing that I recorded the other day there, I got this cheapo Casio Royale off eBay for pennies, right? Because, I mean, it's all scratched to buggery, but I got it because I just want the module out of it. Everything else will be thrown in the bin. And the reason for that, as you probably guessed with the thumbnail, I haven't even done the thumbnail yet, but obviously I've got to put that in, is because I got one of these kits from SKXMOD. This video is sponsored by SKXMOD. They never gave me it for free, but they did give me a discount, a reviewer's discount, so I thought I'd put that in. Because I've seen it on some other channel, I can't remember what one it was. I think it was Relative Time. And I thought, I quite fancy doing that. I hope you're not watching this video thinking that I'm an expert modder or anything like that, because I suck at modding. I've tried modding in the past. As soon as I've got to take the movement out and change hands and everything, well, as I say, I tried it in the past and I ended up launching the watch right into the bin, because I made a total, complete and utter arse of it. Because I've got bad eyesight, I'm pretty much blind in one eye, and the other eye isn't that fucking amazing either, so this is a kit that I got, and I'll just show you. I'm not going to do this on camera, because it'll just be however long it takes me, what, 10-15 minutes of me swearing, no doubt, right? Because this is about the extent of modding that I can do. And you might think, oh, it's just a bezel swap and a bracelet change. Aye, but this kit's got sapphire crystal and everything. Basically, it's taking the Casio Royale right up to another level. Oh, fucking hell, that's my granddaughter. I can hear her from here, man, and she's not even in the house yet. Right, so I'm not doing it on camera. I'll go through the kit. You've got various tools and that. What's that? A wee screwdriver, pin remover, tweezers, the bezel, the bracelet. Obviously, the sapphire crystal's already in the bezel. It's already fitted, so I don't have to worry about that. Anyway, I'll pause it here and now, and I'll get back to you when it's done. Right guys, I'm back. First of all, I need to apologise to you, my fabulous viewers, and second to SKXMOD. To be honest with you, I forgot all about this, because I was recording it in parts. The first two parts that you've already seen, I recorded them weeks ago, And I put the watch together, put it in my watch box, and forgot all about it. And as you can tell by the time on the watch, it's a Saturday night, and I'm sat here and I'm fanning about with my watches and that, and I had some crap on the TV, The Masked Singer or some pish. And I looked in the watch box. I've got quite a few watch boxes, but I looked at the one that I've got like various digital stuff and all the rest of the stuff, crap like that. And I'm like, shit, I've not finished that review, so I thought, right, bin everything, Saturday night or not. I don't drink anyway. Well, I don't drink anymore. I've been totally teetotal for 5 years now. I used to have not a serious drinking problem. I wasn't drinking in the morning or anything, but come night time I wanted a drink. But I'm not getting into that. That's long gone. Right. This mod kit then. As I say, these gloves are a bit of a contradiction in terms, isn't they, compared to this watch. Although it's a big difference to the last time you seen it. Do you know what I should have done is watch the videos again, so I know what the hell I was talking about. They two videos that are the parts that I recorded before. I should have watched them before doing this, but fuck it. Right, price of these kits, right? They start from £85. I'm not going to do dollars and all the rest of the stuff because I had it all set up, and I had to go digging for all my notes for this. So it's £85. It's a bit more on the bracelet. It's available in plenty colours. I'll cover the colours in a wee bit. But I believe you can also ask for the kit, whether it be just the case and that, the bezel, or whether you want it with the bracelet. And you can also add whether you want the module or not. Personally speaking, I picked up a module. I got the watch as you've seen, and it was, 15 quid or something off at eBay. That's your better option. Just find the most beat up one that you can and just mod it for there. I also believe that SKXMOD also do a complete build for you if that's what you want. If you didn't want to do this yourself, I never showed it on camera when I modded it. To be honest, it's no mod. You take out 4 screws, take the bracelet off, take the bezel off, replace the case. The only bit you keep, see the black inner bezel type thing, that's the only bit you keep, because the actual case itself, the sapphire crystal and all that's fitted anyway, so it's pointless showing you on camera. Right, anyway, I'm waffling a lot of shite. I didn't want to make this video too long. I'll go over the dimensions that I've took of this watch with the new kit, but it's pretty much the same, like, but I'll go over what I measured anyway. Diameter, going between, like, this point, between the 2 buttons and this point, the 2 buttons. I measured it at 42.2mm. Total thickness, I measured it at bang on 13mm. Lug to lug 45mm, and obviously it has an 18mm lug width. The weight itself, now it goes up quite a bit because this is solid 316L stainless steel. It's not that cheap shitey stuff that you've seen before. So on the bracelet, sized up for my 6 3/4 inch wrist, it came in at 141 grams. I was going to mention something else there, wasn't I? But I just had a total brain fart and I can't remember what it was. I can't remember. Right, movement inside it, obviously the Casio module 3299. It's got a 10-year battery life. And just for your information, the battery reference number, if you want to replace it later on and 10 years later, the reference is CR2025. and they're not expensive. You're lucky if you spend £1 on it. That's about it. Right, the case and the bracelet, obviously it's the one I picked is the full silver one. See, to be honest with you, I picked the wrong one. I should have went for the black with the gold buttons, because this is too similar to like the stock one, even although the stock one's got the black on the inside rather than that full silver. You can still get that, by the way, as one of the kits if you want it to look stock, but you know, it's in full stainless steel with sapphire crystal and stuff. Right, aye, the bracelet. Oh, wait a minute. The bracelet and it. No, wait a minute. That's a lie. It's no the bracelet. It's just the case has a hardness coating on it up to 980 on the Vickers scale. But weirdly, they never treated the bracelet, which I find a bit weird. I mean, you're buying this kit, right, and it costs, what, 5-6 times the cost of the actual watch itself. So you think they would have coated the bracelet as well. That's certainly what I would have done anyway. There's no point in just doing half a job, is there? Anyway, the crystal in it, obviously it's sapphire, it's totally flat. As you can see, now the problem that I got with this sapphire that they pre-installed is I don't think there's any AR coating at all. And if there is, well, it's pretty shite, to be honest with you. But it's still a massive upgrade of what was in there before, isn't it? Water resistance, still the same, 100 metres. If you go to the link in the description, it takes you to my website, the landing page for this modding kit. And you'll get all the prices, the full specs, the links as to where to buy it. Loads of other stuff that you might quite fancy. I've been over that, options and all that stuff. Oh, the colourways. Right, this is the last part. Oh, before I get into that, there's no warranty with this. Oh, I couldn't see anything. Unless you're buying it modded by them, I don't think there's any warranty. But to be honest with you, it's just bits of metal and a bit of sapphire, to be honest. So, you don't need a warranty. Unless you're buying the module, as I said. Right, colourways. You can go for full silver, like this one, the one I've got, plus the bracelet. Oh, by the way, I meant to mention on the bracelet, it's screw pins, plenty micro adjust. It's a pressed number, which is a bit disappointing, but it's comfy on wrist, so it's no signed or anything either. It's just sterile. And that's about it. Oh shit, colourways. As I was saying, silver, full silver, or you can have full black. Now I'm basing this off of the case and the bracelets. That's all the pictures I'm going to show you. But if you go to the website, as I say, you'll get all the different options. These are the majority of the options anyway. Right, aye, silver, full silver, full black, rose gold, yellow gold. You can have the silver and black, or you can have black and silver. And the one that I think that I should have got is the black one with the gold buttons, just because it looks not like nothing else. That's basically it, guys. I'm not going to show you a wrist shot because it wears exactly the same. It's just a wee bit heavier. Hold on, zoom out a wee bit. Wrist check. I'm wearing the Heinrich Talker 2. I'm sure you pronounce it Talker. Who knows? It's German, so. But this came. When was it? Yesterday or the day before? And I got two of them. I got this one, the full loom version, and also got the red meteorite. I'll be reviewing that shortly. So we'll not talk. I've got it on my watch steward elastic strap. I think it looks apart. But anyway, put that back there. Do you recommend this kit? Well, I know it's a bit expensive, but then I'm only comparing it to what the actual watch. I mean, if you're just wanting a beater watch, I mean, these watches are fantastic, and they only cost like what, 20, 25 quid, if that. But if you want to really make it the, I wouldn't call it the ultimate Casio Royale, because I think there's a couple of things they could have done, like the coating on the bracelet. They could have put better AR coating on the sapphire, plus that clasp could have been much better. But it's here now. So it's not as if I'm going to sell it or anything, is it? Well, you never know. Never say never, as they say. So that's about it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!